Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining our free online lessons for today. Okay, so my name is Arina Asri, and I am the application engineer at CAD System Penang Sdn. So for today's topic, what we're going to learn is on the creating a profile in Civil 3D. All right, so I hope that you can hear my voice. If you cannot hear my voice or you cannot see my screen, just let me know. All right. Okay, so next. All right, so for our demonstration for today, because we're going to learn on how we can create a profile in Civil 3D. So basically, what I will have initially, what I'm going to have in my Civil 3D is that I have the topo surface and this alignment. All right, so if you see, this is the topo surface that I have in Civil 3D, and then the alignment that I create now. So basically, this alignment is stand for the road. So I'm going to propose a road design. So the alignment is for the road design. All right. So the next one is that what we're going to do after we have created those topo surface and the alignment is that we're going to create the profile surface. All right. So basically, this profile surface is because we propose a road design. So we need to have first the profile surface. So from the profile surface, we're going to create our own profile for the proposed road. Okay, and how to create the new profile for the proposed road is that we're going to use the best fit profile tools. So these tools is to ensure the finished grid profile geometry tightly follows the existing condition. So if you see, this is the profile surface that this is the origin. I can say this is origin or initial profile for our proposed road design. That we're going to propose a road design. So basically, this is the origin or initial profile for the road. So from this profile, what we're going to do is that we're going to create a new profile so that all those are curved, the tangent is okay, it is suitable for a road design. All right, if you see like this one, the tangent and the curve for this one is quite high, so it's not okay for a road to create a road like this. So that's why we're going to create a new profile for the road. All right, so to create the new profile for the road, as I said just now, we're going to use the best fit profile tools. So this best fit profile tool is one of the tools where we're not going to make a very big changes from the origin profile. So we're going to make slightly changes, and the profile geometry will follow tightly based on the existing condition. All right. So to create the new profile using the best fit profile is that first we have two ways to create those profile. The first thing is that we're going to use the profile best fit tool. So these tools, this tool is where it will automatically create the profile, the best fit profile for all for the whole profile, for the whole road profile. And another one is that we're going to create segment by segment. So segment by segment is mean that like for instance, I show you again this profile. We have so many tangent and curve here one, this one we have here, another one here. So basically, we're going to create a tangent or a curve. Going to create the profile curve by curve. So meaning that this one is the separate one, this one separately, and this one also separately. All right. I hope you can. All right, never mind. I will show you the tutorial later. All right. So basically, we have two ways to create the best fit profile. All right. Now I'm going to show. Let me share you with my Civil 3D. Okay. All right. So this is my Civil 3D interface. All right, so I hope that you can see my screen, my Civil 3D screen. So if you see, I have already the topo surface and also the alignment, as I said just now. So this is the proposed road that I'm going to design on this topo surface. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create first the profile surface for this proposed road. All right, so to create the profile surface is that you go to home. Okay, on the home here, we have this profile. So click on this profile and then create surface profile. So click on this one, and then because currently the surface for my project currently I only have this surface. This is what we call surface. So I'm going to choose this WITEG here. I'm going to click add. All right, and then let's edit some more on the draw in profile view here. And then in here, I'm going to rename this one as the WIT profile. And then the profile view style, this one will be okay. This one will be the profile view. And okay, click next. And all right, so this is the station range. So basically, if you want for the route that you want to design or you want to create, you want to have a specific range for the station. So you can just use user specified range. So this one you can just put in manually or from which station it will start and end to which station. All right, so basically I'm going to use the automatic here, and then I'm going to click next. This one as well, the profile view height. If you have you want to specify on your own height for your road, so you can just use the user specified, same as the station ranges now. All right, so for now I'm going to use the automatic. Okay, and click next, and then next again, and in here, all right, make sure that on this band set here you select the EG, FG, elevations and station. Okay, and then I'm going to click next again, and okay, this one, let me check first. This one is okay, okay. All right, now we're going to create our profile view. So click on the create profile view, and then bring your cursor slightly, maybe somewhere around here to place the profile view. So bring it somewhere around here and then click. Okay, so this is our profile, our surface profile or our profile view for the road that we proposed here, the orange one. Okay, so basically this one, if you see the profile is not very good, so that's why we need to create another, or we need to propose another profile for our road. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do, or I'm going to use, is the best fit profile tools. So to create the best fit profile for this road profile here is, again, go to home, and then in here we have the profile. So click again profile, and then below down here we have the create best fit profile. So click on create best fit profile, and then choose this profile. Click this one, and then this message will appear. All right, so basically we need to edit some more on this setting here. So the input type here, I'm going to use the surface profile because this is a surface profile. So we're going to choose this one as the surface profile. And then the surface profile, because I only have only one surface that I have in here, so that's why I only have one option here, the WITEG surface. But if you do have maybe you design many roads in a project, so basically you will have so many surface profile in here. So basically that's you might need to choose the correct one. Okay, and then under the best fit options here, under the maximum radius, so this one is for the curve detection. So if you want to make it less, the number less, to create the curve, So you can just change the numbers in here. Okay, and the curve type, I'm going to go for parabola here, and the profile draw method, it is allow above or below from the profile, from the initial or origin profile that we have here. And then what we're going to do next is, okay, the profile style here, I'm going to choose the design profile because it is the new proposed profile that we're going to create. So the profile style I'm going to choose the design profile, so we can see the difference between those two, between the origin one and the new that we will propose later. Okay, and all right, this one is okay, and I'm gonna click on OK here. All right, and if you see this is the best fit report. So this is let's say this one is the point station, and also the entity station. So this the station on entity and elevation on entity is the original one. So meaning that if I the blue one is the new proposed best fit profile, is the new proposed profile for our road. Okay, so basically if you see the blue one is the point station and the point elevation is stand for the blue one, the new proposed profile profile surface. So the origin one is the station on entity and also elevation on entity, the red color one, just the previously the red color one. So if you see, we have the offset to entity. So the offset to entity is it shows you how much value does the new profile is offset within the initial or origin one. Okay, so this is the best fit report. So if you want to see, or maybe later I'm going to show you how you can change the point station, the new point station for this best fit profile for our root purpose. Okay, I'm going to close this one first. All right, so if you see, the blue one here is the new one, is the new that we propose, the new profile that we propose. Okay, so you see, because we use the best fit profile tools, so the changes, or I can say the difference or the changes between the origin one is much likely not very much difference or changes. All right, you see, Civil 3D tried to make less changes between the previous one, right? That is why it called best fit profile. Okay, all right. Okay, so now let's click on this profile here, the new one that we proposed, the best fit profile, and I'm gonna go to geometry editor. So I'm gonna click on this one, and if I go over the green button there, this is the profile grid view. So when I click this one, all right, so it will show us the Pvi station, the Pvi level, elevation, grade in and grade out. So basically, from here, you can change directly the Pvi station or the Pvi point for our new proposed profile here, the blue one here. So like for instance, you want to change, so you just click, and then you can change the numbers here. Okay. That one, I'm going to post this one first. All right, another one is that you can also delete the Pvi station. All right, for instance, this one is quite not a very good profile for a road. All right, the tangent or the curve is very high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this Pvi station here. And to delete this one is you can, I'm going to click this one, and up here under the profile layout tools, you have the delete Pvi. So I'm going to click on delete Pvi, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go in slightly, delete this somewhere around here, and then the curve or the tangent that will be deleted because the Pvi has been deleted, and then our road is okay now. All right. Okay, so that is one of the function or one of the ways how to create a new profile, a new purpose profile, using the best fit tools, the best fit profile tools. Okay, so all right, that one is we automatically create the best fit profile using the tools, and the profile that generate is for the whole profile. All right, so another one that I'm going to show you is going to create the best fit profile segment by segment or curve by curve. Like for instance, the red one is our profile. So this profile, what I'm going to do is that on the curve here, we're going to create separately for the curve. We're going to create a new profile for each curve. So that is why it's called a segment by segment. Okay, so to create the profile curve by curve or segment by segment is again under home here, home tab here, you have the profile. So click again on profile, and then just now we use the create this best fit profile, right? So basically it automatically generate a new best fit profile for the whole profile for the root purpose, for the purpose root. All right, the next one is we're going to use the segment by segment. So that one we're going to use the profile creation tools. So click on the profile creation tools here, and then choose this profile view, because we only have this one profile view. So click on this profile view, and then this message will appear. We might need to setting a bit on the naming for the profile. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to rename it as the WIT best fit. Okay, best fit profile, WITB. Yeah, all right. And then the profile style is the design profile, okay, because it is the new one that we're going to propose. So I'm going to the profile style, I'm going to choose the design profile. And then the level side is okay. Now I'm going to click on okay. All right, so once I click okay, if you see, the profile layout tools will appear over here. So we need, so basically we're going to use these profile layout tools to create our best fit profile segment by segment for this type, for this segment by segment type. Okay, so basically the tools that we're going to use for this option, for this segment by segment option to create the best fit profile is basically we're going to use this. See, this one is draw fixed tangent by 2 points, and another one is we're going to use the draw fixed parabola by 3 points. That one is for the curve. Okay, all right, so I'm going to click first on draw fixed tangent here. I'm going to use the fixed tangent best fit, because this one is the profile that we're going to create is the best fit profile. So that's why I'm going to use the fixed tangent best fit. And then choose by clicking on the screen, click OK. And I'm going to start from here. And maybe somewhere, I'm going to start somewhere around here. The tangent might look like this. All right, this is the first tangent. Okay, and then I'm going to click on enter. All right, once I click on enter, this one will appear. This is the regression data. So it will show you the point that we create just now, the new point for the tangent that we create just now. It will show us the value or the numbers for each point that we create just now on the profile. Okay. All right. So basically, I'm not going to change anything from here. I'm going to click save, and then click on the dismiss this data, this vista. Okay. Click on the tick button there. All right. The blue one is the first tangent, and then I'm going to create as well the second tangent for this side. Okay, the second tangent will be again fixed tangent best fit. click on that one by clicking on screen. Okay, and then I'm going to start somewhere around, let's see, maybe somewhere around here. And okay, so this is the second tangent. I'm going to click on enter. All right, again, this one going to save and then pick this one. All right, this is the second tangent. Again, I'm going to create as well a tangent for this one, for this, a new tangent for this side and also for this side. Okay, so again, click on the tangent, fixed tangent best fit and choose by clicking on the screen and okay. And then let's start somewhere around here. See this one, I think I need to turn off the offset here. Okay. All right. And this one will go up until here. Okay. All right. I'm going to click on enter. And then this one I'm going to save and tick. All right. And then another one is the last one. I'm not going to create all those a new profile for the whole profile that we have here because we have quite a lot. So I'm good. I mean, this one I'm just going to show you. Maybe we're going to create the profile somewhere. Stop until here only. Okay. So this one will be starting from here. Go down here. Here. And here. Okay. And then click on enter, click save and tick. All right, now we have already the tangent. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create the parabola or the curve for our new proposed profile. All right, now click on drop down this parabola fixed vertical curve here, and then the one that I'm going to use is the free vertical curve best fit. Click on this one. And then the first thing that you need to do is that you need to choose the first entity. The first entity stands for the first tangent. So basically you want to create the profile or you want to connect these two tangent here, the blue here. So click on the tangent, choose the first one, and then choose the second one. All right, so this one will appear and then click by clicking on screen, click OK, and then now we can create our curve. All right, so maybe start somewhere around here. Okay, if you see, it will automatically generate the curve. So if you want to make it maybe up a bit, okay, like that, down a bit, and maybe we can stop somewhere around here, and I'm gonna click on enter. Okay. And once I click on save and I click on tick here, and if you see, this is the new proposed road that we create. All right, so this is the first one. Okay, now the second one is the same thing as well. We do just now for this tangent, for this curve. Again, go up here, choose the best free vertical curve. And then choose the first entity. This is the first one. It will be connected with this entity. See. Okay, let me try on this side. Okay. Okay, by clicking on screen, click OK. And then now we can start drawing or start editing our curve. So maybe slightly start from here, go up a bit, and then to here. It will stop somewhere around here. I'm going to click on enter, and this one I'm going to save and tick. All right, so this is the second proposed, second profile, second best fit profile, where we create it segment by segment. So basically, this one more to you create it manually. Okay, just now we use the best fit profile tools where it create automatically for the whole profile. But this one, it is more you create manually for each curve or each segment. Okay, so yeah, that is how we create a profile for our project, either a road project or else you can use this best fit profile for your project. And screen is not moving. Is it okay now? Oh, I see screen is not moving. Is it okay currently? Is it moving? No. All right. So, all right. I think just now, when we create the profile, maybe my screen is not moving. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to show you again how to create the profile segment by segment. Again, I'm going to create a fixed tangent first. Okay, by clicking on the screen, I'm going to click on OK. So let's choose, maybe we can choose this tangent and this one, or maybe, yeah, maybe we can try here. So I'm going to add another more tangent for this road profile, somewhere around here, and start, and it will stop around here. Okay, click on enter, and then this one I'm going to save and pick this one. All right, and then the next one I'm going to do is that I'm going to combine or connect these two tangents. Okay, click on to create to connect these two tangents is that we're going to create the curve. So to create the curve, we're going to use the fixed free vertical curve best fit. Click this one and then choose the first entity, which is the first tangent, and then choose the second entity. And then by clicking on screen, we're going to click on OK. And then now we can start creating our curve. Okay, maybe let's start here, go up a bit, and stop somewhere here. On enter, save, and take this one. So yeah, basically that is how you create the best fit profile segment by segment. Okay, and that is the second way. So the first way is we create it using the best fit profile, where it create for the whole profile that we have in this project. And then the second one is we create it segment by segment. All right, we create it by curve by curve. So yeah, you can either choose between these two options to create your profile in your Civil 3D project. Okay, I think that is all for the tutorial for today for Civil 3D profile creation. So before I end this meeting or live, let me share with you on our website. So our website is acadsystems.com. So in here, I think I already shared my screen. All right. So in here, if you have anything to ask, or maybe you are interested with our product, or you want to join our training, you want us to conduct a training for you, so you can always go to open chat here, click here, and then either you fill in the form or live chat, and then our representative will entertain you in a short minute. All right, and then the next one is that if you are interested to join our pre-online lesson some more in the future, you can just go to our website, and then below down here we have this list for our pre-online lesson. So if you are interested, you can just click on the title here and then RSVP your place by click on going here. Okay, again, and if you want again to watch the videos that we conduct, the previous videos or today's videos that we conduct for our free online lesson, you can always go, either you watch on our Facebook or in our YouTube. So either go click YouTube here and then it will bring you to our website channel, our YouTube channel, and then in here you can just watch we have so many topics on BIM, on EEC, architecture, engineering, and construction, and so on. Okay, all right. So I hope I think that is all from me for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining our free lessons for today. I hope to see you guys again in the future. All right. So yeah, I think we have chat there. Okay, you're welcome, CCW. Okay, and yeah, thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.